Hello everyone, today you're joining me for a 10-minute arms workout with light dumbbells, so make sure you've got your 1 to 5 pound dumbbells ready to go. Now don't be deceived by the light weights in this workout. We're really going to keep things moving today so that you get a nice burn and we can really work on toning up those arms. It's going to be a good one, so let's move. All right, so grab those dumbbells. We're gonna get right into it today. We're going to start with a lateral to front raise with our palms facing up. So I want you to take the arms straight out to the sides, parallel to the floor, and we're gonna swipe them to the front and then back to the side. Go ahead and begin. We've got 30 seconds here. So most of our exercises today are going to be between 20 and 30 seconds, and then we have a couple of 30-second rests after 5 or so exercises. You're gonna get a nice burn for each circuit. Keep those arms parallel, core is tight. Okay, in 2, 1, we go to serve the platter. So bring those weights into your chest, and we alternate here, serve the platter. We're pushing that arm out so that it's parallel with the floor, pulling it back in, squeezing those back muscles a little bit, and then alternating. All right, you keep doing those. I want to show you our next move. We're coming into a curl press, but we're holding it at a higher height here. So I want you to think about getting your triceps parallel to the floor here. We're going to come out into a straight arm and then curl up. Go ahead and join me. Squeeze those biceps, hold those arms parallel to the ground. Your core and legs should also be nice and tight here. And just curl up until your arms are at about a 90-degree angle. We don't need to come all the way up here to the shoulders. Good job. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, shoulder press. Just a traditional press here. Okay, now hold these out in cactus. We're gonna close in front of the face and then open back out to cactus. Go ahead and keep that one going. Keep those elbows tucked in front of your face. And I want you to think about keeping your triceps parallel to the floor for this entire movement here. We're just pivoting at the shoulders. Okay, now we come into a shoulder press pulse. Go ahead and join me here. And we're just kind of hanging out right in the middle of a shoulder press here. Good job, keep pushing. Your first rest is coming up. Rest in 3, 2, 1. You've got 30 seconds, so go ahead and take some time to reassess. We're gonna hit those moves again before we move on to the next circuit. So if you think you need to go a little bit lighter or even heavier, now would be the time. So next, we're just coming back into that lateral to front raise with the palms facing up. So shake it out. All right, we have about 5 seconds. Bring them up. And let's go. Just swiping side to the front. Core and legs are tight. Keep those arms parallel to the floor. Good job. In about 5 seconds, we come back into that alternating serve the platter. Okay, bring those into the chest and let's hit it. Are you feeling the burn yet? We're there, it's happening. Told you not to be deceived by the light weights. Good job. A few more of these and then we're coming into that high bicep curl. Okay, arms are out parallel, and we just come into a curl here. Good Good job, we're about halfway there. After this, we hit our shoulder press. Keep those arms up. Triceps are parallel. Keep going. All right, let's get into that shoulder press. 20 seconds here. All right, last one here. Hold these out into a cactus position, and then we close, tuck in the elbows, and open. Close and open. You're doing great. All right, now we come back into those pulses, shoulder press pulses right here. Just focus on your breathing. I want you to think about keeping your core, your legs, your glutes nice and tight. Close your eyes if you need to. Keep going. We're going to add in some triceps for our next circuit. Really burn it out here. And rest. 30 seconds here. Drop those weights, shake it out, swing it out. Awesome work. So next we're coming into a tricep overhead extension. So we're just gonna hold these weights up by our ears, and then we lower and push with those triceps, okay? We go there in 3, 2, 1, let's roll. If you'd like, you can also press the weights together if that feels a little bit more normal for you. Just try to keep those elbows from flaring out too much. Keep them tucked in nice and tight. Good job. In 5 seconds, we're just coming into a regular bicep curl. All right, go ahead and bring them down. Palms face out and we curl. Keep those elbows pinned into position, and we are squeezing the biceps to pull those weights all the way up. Okay, we're gonna add a forward press to this in about 5 seconds. So you're gonna curl it up, press those weights forward, and back down. Go ahead and meet me there. Feels good to give the shoulders a bit of a break here. That was getting rough. Keep squeezing those biceps. Get those arms parallel to the floor on that press. Even though these are light weights, we still want to think about proper form here. Okay, we're coming into some tricep pulses next. So come in a hinged position, palms are facing the wall behind you, and we're just pulsing right here in this position. Really push up with those tricep muscles. Feel a nice squeeze at the top. Your back is flat. Glutes and legs are nice and strong. Good job. In 3, 2, 1, come out into a lateral raise, swipe it to the front. Okay, very similar to what we started with, except now the palms are facing the floor, and we're coming down from that lateral raise before we go up again, instead of just kind of hovering right here. So come up, back to the front, side, and down. Keep going. Okay, in 5 seconds, we combine all muscle groups. So we're gonna come into a curl, press, tricep overhead extension, press, lower, down, and repeat, okay? We go there in 4 seconds. Okay, and we have a full minute there. Let's begin. Curl, press, tricep extension, lower, lower, repeat. Go at your own pace here. And just really take your time to feel each individual muscle group moving. Less than 30 seconds. We rest in 2, 1, workout complete. Great work today. I hope you guys enjoyed this with the lighter weights. A workout like this is actually really fun to come back to after you've done it a few times and see if you can do it with a slightly heavier weight. So today I was working with some 3s. Might be interesting to come back and see how that would feel with some 5s. But I hope you guys got a really great burn in today. Thank you so much for joining me for this workout. Go do something healthy after this, and I will see you in the next one.